Hey everyone, it's Ayushi and welcome back to my channel. Today we are moving into part 2 of my product dissection of Alphabet Healthcare. In the first part, we discussed some of Alphabet's fascinating initiatives like MedLM, Augmetics, the Ascent platform and its collaboration with Pensai, and how they are shaping the future of healthcare through technology and data-driven solutions. In the second part, we'll build on that foundation and explore more of Alphabet's healthcare ecosystem, diving deeper into the strategies, innovations, and the long-term impact these projects are aiming to create. If you missed part 1, be sure to check it out first so that you can follow along with the full picture. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's dive in.
Third that we are going to talk about is the operational inefficiencies in claims and documentation processing. Administrative inefficiencies is another critical challenge in healthcare. Processes like insurance claims, eligibility verification, and clinical document review are often manual and error pains. To tackle this, Alphabet collaborated with Accenture to create Solution.ai for processing, a platform that integrates MedLM with Google Cloud's Claims Acceleration Suite. This system processes both structured and unstructured clinical data to automate repetitive tasks such as claims, approvals, data validation, and member eligibility checks. The automation not only reduces turnaround times but also cuts down on human errors, fraud, and redundancies. As a result, healthcare providers can relocate resources from clerical tasks to patient care, enhancing both efficiency and patient satisfaction. A platform that integrates MedLM with Google Cloud's Claims Acceleration Suite. This system processes both structured and unstructured data. And lastly, talking about the fourth and the final problem, which is navigating provider networks and enhancing patient experience. For patients, one of the most frustrating aspects of healthcare is figuring out which providers are covered by the insurance and which ones match their specific needs. This lack of clarity often results in delayed or inappropriate care. Together, they developed an AI-enhanced provider search tool that analyzes provider directories, user history, insurance benefits, and medical records. The tool offers personalized recommendations for in-network doctors based on patients' conditions, medications, past appointment patterns, and a lot more. Initially piloted with contact center agents like assisting health plan members, this system has shown promise in reducing call durations, improving care accuracy, and increasing patient satisfaction. Together, these four cases underscore Alphabet's approach to healthcare: identify high-impact challenges, build AI-powered tools tailored to those challenges, and partner with industry leaders to deploy them in the real world. Alphabet is not just imagining the future of healthcare, it is actively creating it. Starting with the key features or the top features of Alphabet Health. Alphabet Health's platform isn't a single product, but a cohesive ecosystem made up of interconnected features, each serving a critical function in the broader healthcare journey. These features work together to personalize care, enhance clinical accuracy, support research, and improve the overall user experience. Let's dive deeper into the 7 most prominent features that define the Alphabet Health ecosystem. Starting with the first one, user health profiles. These profiles act as a unified health dashboard, integrating data from wearable devices like Fitbit and Pixel Watch, electronic health records, and manually entered information. They include demographic data, vitals, medical history, and lifestyle behavior. What sets these profiles apart is their dynamic nature. Users can view updates in real time and control who can access their data through granular privacy settings. This centralized view helps patients track their health trends and enables doctors to make data-driven decisions during consultations. Talking about the second one, which is medical records and summarization. Using MedLM's language modeling capabilities, Alphabet automates the generation of detailed medical summaries such as diagnosis, medical lists, and treatment plans. These summaries are seamlessly integrated into the EHR systems, ensuring compliance with healthcare data standards while dramatically reducing the time clinicians spend on documentation. The result is faster, more accurate, and record keeping, and more productive interactions between patients and healthcare providers. Talking about the third one, which is AI-generated health insights. What sets these profiles apart is their dynamic nature. Users can view updates in real time and control who can access their data through granular privacy settings. These centralized view helps patients track. Alphabet's AI tools are capable of predicting disease risks, generating early alerts, and identifying abnormal health patterns. Insights are drawn from wearable data, longitudinal health records, and environmental factors. For instance, a sudden change in the heart rate or sleep pattern might trigger an alert for early stage cardiac arrest or any other cardiac issues. AlphaFold contributes by mapping protein structures, facilitating drug development, and targeted treatment plans. These predictive insights enables proactive rather than reactive healthcare. Talking about the fourth one, which is trusted health information delivery. A critical part of Alphabet's mission is to make accurate health information accessible. Google Health delivers medically verified content through search and YouTube, partnering with institutions like Mayo Clinic and NHS to ensure quality. This content is tailored by region, language, and cultural context, allowing users from diverse backgrounds to make informed healthcare decisions. Features include system checkers, condition explainers, and public health advisories. Talking about the fifth one, care navigation and provider matching. This feature uses generative AI to help patients find the right doctor within their insurance network. Users can search for providers based on specific conditions, previous visits, or medication histories. The system also assists call center agents by suggesting accurate matches for their patient inquiries. This significantly improves the access to timely in-network care and reduces appointment booking friction. Talking about the sixth one, which is health monitoring via wearables. Devices like Fitbit and Pixel Watch continuously track user vitals such as heart rate, skin temperature, steps, and sleep durations. This data is analyzed in real time to detect anomalies and provide early warnings. It also enables wellness coaching and chronic disease monitoring. Wearable integration into clinical workforce ensures that the care teams are notified when the intervention is needed, without the patient having to visit a facility. Great, right? Clinical research and drug discovery tools, which is the last one. Platforms like Verily and Bensa empower scientists with AI tools to analyze millions of experimental outcomes and detect patterns. These platforms accelerate drug discovery by mapping relationships between genes, proteins, and disease outcomes. They also assist in patient recruitment and compliance management for clinical trials. MedLM adds further value by enhancing data interpretation, accuracy, and facilitating faster hypothesis testing. So together, these features create a comprehensive, responsive, and intelligent health platform that can scale across demographics, geographies, and clinical settings. Alphabet Health is a prime example of how integration of digital health ecosystems can deliver both precision and compassion in the modern medicine. Starting with the schema description, talking about data schema and architecture. Beneath the user interfaces, wearable integrations, and AI-driven insights that make Alphabet Health so compelling lies in a sophisticated data schema. The backbone of the system that ensures everything runs in harmony. The schema is not just a database, it is a relational framework that supports intelligent, scalable, real-time healthcare services by capturing, connecting, and contextualizing a wide range of medical and behavioral data points. To truly understand how Alphabet Health functions behind the scenes, we need to look beneath the user interfaces, health dashboard, and wearable trackers, and into the relational database architecture that holds everything together. This architecture is visualized through an entity relationship diagram, which is mapping out the key components or the entities of the system and how they relate to one another. Think of this diagram as a digital skeleton of Alphabet's health platform. It outlines how the data flow from patients and doctors to devices and insights, and forming an intelligent and responsive ecosystem. Let's break down the component one at a time. So as you can see here, we have connected architecture. Moving back to the entities created, user entity, the central node. At the heart of the schema is the user entity. Each user is assigned a user ID, which is the primary key, and associated with attributes like name, date of birth, gender, region, and email. All interactions, device usage, medical visits, appointments, alerts, and AI insights stem from this entity. It is a central hub around which the rest of the schema revolves. Talking about the health profile entity, static medical data. Each user has at least one health profile, which includes persistent medical details like blood group, chronic conditions, and also known allergies. This data supports AI-based predictions and personalizes recommendations. Talking about the device data entity, which is a real-time wearable inputs. The device data entity is a dynamic table that captures physiological data from wearable devices like Fitbit and Pixel Watch. It logs heart rate, steps, sleep durations, temperature, and the time the data was recorded. This entity connects to the user and feeds data into the predictive model and alert systems. Talking about the visits and medical records entity. So that is all the clinical journey. Every healthcare interaction is captured in the visit entity. It records when and where the user met the doctor, either virtually or in person. Each visit is linked to a doctor in a hospital. Each visit leads to a medical record, which stores diagnosis, lab results, prescribed medications, and follow-up schedules. These records allow doctors to understand medical history quickly and holistically. Talking about the All Insight entity, which is a predictive intelligence. All Insight stores predictions made by the AI models like MedLM. For example, if the system detects a high likelihood of hypertension, that prediction gets stored here and with the details like model version, confidence score, and timestamps. These insights inform both doctors and alert systems, bridging data science and clinical practice. Talking about the alert entity, as you can see here. So when an anomaly is detected, such as an elevated heart rate or a high fever, then alert is generated. Alerts include information about the triggering source, the message, the type of alert, timestamp, and read status. These alerts are essential for proactive intervention and are visible to both users and doctors depending on the severity. Talking about the doctor and hospital entities, doctors are defined by attributes like specialization, email, and the year of experience. Each doctor is associated with a hospital, which includes location and accreditation details. These entities feed into the appointment system and helps user match within the network care providers. So talking about the appointment entity, which is a scheduling engine. So the appointments link users to doctors, storing the date, status, and mode, virtual or in person. So this entity integrates scheduling logic into the care workflows and ensures continuity of care. Health content entity, which is one of the educational resources. This entity stores the medically validated content categorized by topic, language, region, and partner organization. Whether it's a YouTube video on diabetes or a search snippet on COVID symptoms, health content ensures that the users access relevant and accurate information. So talking about the schema relationships recap, users have many health profiles, device data, visits, appointments, all insights and alerts. Each visit links a user to a doctor at a hospital, producing a medical record. Device data and all insights can both generate alerts. Appointments are scheduled between users and doctors. Health content is filtered by the user religion or language and delivered across the Alphabet platforms. So in summary, the ER diagram is the architectural foundation of Alphabet Health. It is what allows variable data, AI insights, doctor visits, alerts, and educational content to be tightly integrated into the one responsive system. Every interaction, whether digital or clinical, it is a part of this living, breathing structure that makes healthcare more intelligent and more connected, also more human. So jumping on to the conclusion here, every interaction, whether digital or clinical, it is a part of this living. As we reach the end of this deep dive into the Alphabet Health, one message is clear. The future of healthcare is no longer a distant vision. It is actively being built, and Alphabet is one of the most significant architects of that future. Through the strategic fusion of artificial intelligence, cloud infrastructure, wearable technologies, and ethical governance, Alphabet is setting a new global standard for what the healthcare can achieve. Healthcare can traditionally be reactive. Patients get sick, visit a doctor, and begin treatment. Alphabet is turning that model on its head. By integrating wearable data and AI, the company enables a proactive approach, identifying the health risks before the symptoms appear, monitoring vital signs in the real time, and delivering predictive insights directly to the users and providers. This means earlier interventions, fewer hospitalizations, and a system that supports wellness rather than managing illness. But innovation is only meaningful if it's equitable and accessible. Alphabet Health is committed to inclusivity, whether through a language localized health information, affordable wearable devices, or AI models trained on diverse datasets. Their health education content is delivered to millions via platforms people already use, such as Google Search and YouTube. The goal is simple but powerful. Ensure no one is left behind because of geography, income, or digital literacy. As we reach the end of this deep dive into the Alphabet Health, one message is clear. The future of healthcare is no longer a distant vision. It is actively being built, and Alphabet is one of the most significant architects of that future. Through the strategic fusion of artificial intelligence, cloud infrastructure, wearable technologies, and ethical governance, Alphabet is setting a new global. This focus on equity adds moral gravity to Alphabet's technological ambition. The company also deserves recognition for its cautious and collaborative approach to the AI in healthcare. Medalum is not rushed into practice. It is piloted, evaluated, and refined with medical professionals at every step. This blend of ambition and humility is rare in tech, but essential in medicine. But decisions can be life-altering. Alphabet's commitment to first do no harm is not just a slogan, it's a guiding principle embedded into every AI model and health product it releases. From a macro perspective, Alphabet Health is fostering a more connected ecosystem, one where clinicians, patients, researchers, and institutions work together seamlessly. Doctors benefit from faster documentation and decision-making tools. Patients receive tailored guidance, proactive alerts, and seamless access to care. This focus on equity adds moral gravity to Alphabet's technological ambition. The company also deserves recognition for its cautious and collaborative approach to the AI in healthcare. Medalum is not rushed into practice. Researchers get access to vast, anonymized datasets for scientific discovery. Health administrators gain efficient tools to cut down paperwork and fraud. And health officials can deploy real-time data monitoring to address emerging health crises. As AI models like MedLM become more intelligent, wearable technologies grows more sophisticated, we are inching closer to a future where the healthcare is seamless and personalized as any other digital experience, whether it's streaming a video or ordering groceries. But unlike those services, the stakes in healthcare are far higher, and Alphabet is meeting that challenge with a powerful mix of innovation, ethics, and collaboration. In conclusion, Alphabet Health is more than just an initiative. It is a blueprint for 21st century healthcare. It exemplifies what happens when big tech embraces big responsibility. As you know, with great power comes great responsibility, and it shows that with the right tools and the right partnerships and the right values, we can build a future where healthcare is smarter, faster, and more human, and truly global. Thank you. But unlike those services, the stakes in healthcare are far higher, and Alphabet is meeting that challenge with a powerful mix of innovation, ethics, and collaboration.